Let me see so you can see that. So you throw some halibut in there. Some of them are different sizes, and that's okay. We'll just piece together the taquitos. You gotta taste it. Needs a little bit more salt and a tad bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna use it all. Okay, let's take the star of the show and just coat it in our seasoned panko crumbs. This is gonna give it that crispy crunchiness we want when we bite into the taquito. Not only the tortilla is gonna be crunchy, but our piece of fish is gonna be equally crunchy. Let's put this on a tray and I'll show you what it looks like. We're gonna put the fish in the freezer for 45 to 60 minutes so that the panko stays on when we fry it. We have the semi-frozen halibut. Literally, we are just going to roll it up. Mother of pearl, I just burnt my fingertip. Look at the fish is getting crunchy and crispy from the panko. Who doesn't love a crispy, crunchy taquito? I'm going to tilt my pan so that the edges get crispy and crunchy. And if you don't like cilantro, leave it out. Look at that. Wow. Oops, I